How to solve x raised to the power of 15 positive x raised to the power of 10 is equal to 150. Clearly we can see that 15 is actually a multiple of 5 with 3 and 10 is a multiple of 5 with 2. So I will be utilizing this concept and rewriting this as x raised to the power of 5 the whole raised to the power of 3 followed by x raised to the power of 5 the whole raised to the power of 2 is equal to 150. So now let me take x raised to the power of 5 to be equal to some t. So if I were to take this as 2, therefore I can rewrite 2 to be as, in place of x raised to the power of 5, substitute t. This has got a cube there, place that, place t, this has got a square there, place that, and that is equated to 150. Now move 150 to the left. So this would mean I got t raised to the power of 3, positive t squared, negative 150 is equal to 0. Now 150 can be rewritten as 125 plus 25, right? So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So this is going to be t raised to the power of 3 positive t squared, negative of 125 positive 25 is equal to 0. Now 125 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. 5 is a 25. 25 into 5 will give me 125, right? So this is 5 cubed. Now 25 is nothing but 5 into 5, which is nothing but 5 squared. So I would be utilizing this over here. So t cubed positive t squared negative of 5 cubed positive 5 squared is equal to 0. Now I can distribute the negative sign. This is going to be t cubed positive t squared negative 5 cubed negative 5 squared is equal to 0. I would like to club t cubed with 5 cubed, t squared with 5 squared. That would mean I get t cubed negative 5 cubed and then t squared negative 5 squared is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but a cubed negative b cubed, which is a negative b times a squared positive ab positive b squared formula. This is nothing but a squared negative b squared, which is a negative b times a positive b. Utilizing these two formulae, I can rewrite 3 to be as, this is t negative 5 times t squared positive 5 times t positive 25 because of b squared positive t negative 5 times t positive 5 is equal to 0. T negative 5 can be taken out and this would give me t squared positive 5t positive 25. This would give me t positive 5 is equal to 0. This is t negative 5 of t squared 5t plus t is 6t, 25 positive 25 is 30 is equal to 0. Now if AB is equal to 0, this means either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So if I take t negative 5 is equal to 0, then t is equal to 5. In this case, if I take t squared positive 60 positive 30 is equal to 0 and then find the discriminant b squared negative 4ac, this is going to be 6 squared negative 4 times 1 times 3 times 36 negative 120. So this is less than 0. This means you have got complex roots and we drop this. We don't need complex roots, we only need real roots. So this means t is equal to 5, but t is equal to x raised to the power of 5. So this would mean x raised to the power of 5 is equal to 5. Now you can take log to the base 5 both sides. So this would mean log x raised to the power of 5 is equal to log 5. This is base 5 base 5. So you know that log a to the base a is equal to 1. By that this is going to be 1, and also log a raised to the power of b is equal to b times log a. So this is going to be 5 times log x to the base 5. This is what you get. Now we need to get the value of x. So I think we can obtain the value of x in the following fashion. Now if you have this expression, say log a to the base b is equal to x, or I should say equation, and you want to actually evaluate a, then this would mean a is equal to b raised to the power of x. So I would be utilizing this formula. Now for that you move 5 to the right, so this would mean you have log x to the base 5 is equal to 1 over 5. So utilizing this formula, log a to the base b, this would give us a is equal to b raised to the power of x. So therefore x is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1 over 5, which can be rewritten as x is equal to 5th root of 5. So this is the solution for this question, right? So if you substitute 5th root of 5, you should get the right hand side. So let me show you that. So 5th root of 5, this is going to be 5th root of 5, this is raised to the power of 15. 5th root of 5 raised to the power of 10. So what is this? This is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3. This is 5 raised to the power of 2. You see that 125 positive 25 is equal to 150, which is equal to right hand side. You see that? Thank you everybody.